Hey guys, so I've actually had a couple of people ask me, what is CFOP? Like, just at school and stuff. And CFOP is just the name of a method that I think is the easiest one to transition from if you learn beginner's method because of the similarities. So, what is CFOP? CFOP is So what does that mean in terms of a solve? So obviously cross would just be, if you're starting out, probably the white cross. And one of the main differences between CFOP and beginner's method is that you actually basically need to make the cross on the bottom. You cannot make the cross on the top. Just get it, it's a good habit to get into. You can build a cross, and you need all the centers to be lined up with the edges, and then F2L. F2L is it's very complicated if you're just starting out, but basically you take two parts of a pair, like an F2L pair, which in this case this would be the corner and the edge, and then you just put it in so that instead of doing what you would do in beginner's method, where you just put the corner in and then the edge, you just do it all at once. I will have a separate video if I can do it. It'll be somewhere up here, if I can actually get it out soon enough. But you do F2L, and F2L at first will be much slower, and it will get faster. So next is going to be OLL. So really all you do is build the top layer, and there is easier ways to learn it. 2-look OLL and 2-look PLL, so 4-look last layer. And then you solve the cube with one algorithm, maybe two. Depends if you're using 1 or 2-look PLL. So this is actually a solve slowed down quite a bit, and you can really see just like the steps in a solve. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make the cross, and I believe I just find opposite corners and then align them with a D2 at the end. So there was an R2 and then a D2. I believe that put the blue piece in, and now I'm going to go for the first F2L pair, which is the orange-blue pair, I believe. Yes, you can see that it's paired if you know where to look. And then that's going to be inserted. Next, I'm going to go for, looks like the green-red pair. And then I can put that in the back left slot. Next, it looks like the blue-red pair, which isn't a great pair, so I actually found... No, I didn't see that pair first. I actually ended up seeing the orange-green pair, which I think might have been faster. I'm not sure. And then this is, again, not great, but I ended up putting it in. And then I move on to OLL. And since I'm using 2-look OLL here, I do the first one, which just makes the cross. And then I do one which makes the actual top layer, so it just aligns the corners. Well, it doesn't align the corners, it orients them. And this is the pie-shaped OLL. So next I'm going to move on to PLL. And for PLL, you can see that the whole top layer is made, and I basically turn the cube until I find an F perm because of the block, and then I face that to me and then do the algorithm. then the cube is basically solved. And you can see I actually missed the turn, but I was able to get it before I hit the timer. So, yeah. So that is going to be it for this video explaining CFOP. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I believe it's been like 8 days, maybe 9 days. Anyways, all of the links to videos I will be making will come out on this end card. So if you're seeing this like maybe a week or two in the future, then I might have videos out explaining how to just improve your cross, or how to improve your F2L, or just start on F2L even. And I will also have a 2-look OLL and PLL tutorial, which will be coming out shortly. So that's it for this video. Goodbye.